Hello students, I welcome you all to this session. Today in this session we are going to learn about the articles from the subject English Grammar. You know what are articles. You have learnt about the articles in your previous classes. Before starting with the articles, let's take a short revision or a recap. Vowels and consonants. You know about the vowels and consonants? Yes. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels. And the remaining letters. How many letters are there? There are 26 letters. After removing or excluding the 5 vowels, the remaining letters that are left are known as consonants. So can you see, these are the consonants. These are the remaining letters. These are the consonants. So there are 21 consonants. Now let's start with the topic. How the articles are divided into 2 different parts. One is indefinite and the other one is definite. Which are the 2 types of articles? Indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles are further divided into article A or article N. We have only one definite article, that is article the. So these are the different types of articles. Now let's see, when do we use these articles? Rules when the articles are to be used. Which articles? Indefinite articles. The conditions, the rules that has to be used while using the indefinite articles are: it should be a common noun. What is the first condition? The noun should be a common noun. The second condition is it should be a countable noun. What do you mean by countable noun? The nouns that can be counted in numbers. So we have to use the indefinite article before a countable noun. And the third condition is it should be a singular noun. That means the noun should be only one. No, we do not use the article before the plural nouns. These are the 3 conditions which has to be used while using the indefinite articles. Now, when do we use the article A? We use the article A before a word that starts with a consonant. Which are the consonants? We have discussed earlier. There are 21 consonants. We use the article A before a word that is starting with a consonant. For example, a book, a doll. You can see that these words are starting with a consonant, consonant B and D. We also use the article A before a consonant sound. Now what does consonant sound mean? When we pronounce the word, we get the sound of the consonant. For example, a university. University. Y is the sound of the letter Y, and Y is a consonant. Another example is a one-man army. V. We get the sound of V, and V is also a consonant. Therefore, we use the article A before the word that either starts with a consonant or that has a consonant sound. Now let's see when to use the article N. We use use the article N before a word starting with vowels. Before the word that is starting with vowels. For example, an apple and umbrella. Just as when we get the sound of a consonant, we use the article A. Similarly, if the word or while pronouncing the word, we get the sound of a vowel, then we use the article N. For example, an hour, an honest. Here, when we pronounce the word, we get the sound of a vowel. Although these are starting with a consonant, but we use the article N. Definite article the. We know there is only one definite article, that is the. We use the article the with singular, plural and countable nouns. While using indefinite articles, we have seen that we do not use the indefinite article before plural nouns, but in the condition for the, we use the article the before singular as well as plural nouns. For example, the policeman, the books. The second place or the situation when we use the article the is when the speaker. Who is the speaker? The person who is speaking. And the listener means the person who is listening. That means the person who is speaking and the person who is listening knows about whom or what we are talking about. In that condition, we will use the article the. For example, I am talking about the book I lent. In this example, the person knows about which book the person is speaking. The next situation is we use the article the while referring to the things that are only one around us, that are unique, that are special. For example, the sky, the sun, the moon, etc. These are the examples when we use the article the. We also use the article the while referring to a specific group of people. Specific means particular group of people. For example, the Greek, the doctors, etc. We also use the article the before the superlatives. What is superlatives? Superlatives is one of the degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. We use the article the before the superlative. For example, the smallest, the biggest, the best, etc. Lastly, we use the article the before the names of road, but we do not use it before the names of street. For example, the bus is running on the circular road. The book I bought is from College Street. Here we have used the article the before the name of a road, but not before the name of a street. I hope you have understood when to use the articles. In the next video, we are going to learn when we do not use the articles or when the articles are omitted.